Next, let's talk about what it takes to bring your team along for the ride. Because AI doesn't just change workflows, it changes how people feel about their jobs. First, you need to align on the vision. Make it clear why you are doing this. What is it going to unlock for the team? For example, you could say, we're rolling out an AI agent to help with the repetitive queries so we can focus on the high impact, complex work that matters the most. Be honest about what the AI can and can't do. Invite those questions early and address concerns head on. Set the right expectations among your team. Second, make sure to involve your team early on. Don't just push the plan from the top down. Get your support agents involved in actually scoping out the work that the AI agent is going to do. After all, your support agents are the closest to common customer problems. So ask them which types of conversations the AI could handle well. This will help build buy-in and avoid blind spots during implementation. The third thing you can do is to celebrate progress. So when you spot a great response or a measurable win, it's a really good idea to share. So this could be something like, hey team, last week our AI agent handled 300 returns questions with a 95% accuracy. And this freed up almost a full day of agent time. These moments help build trust and momentum, show that the rollout is working, and give your team something to rally around. But it's not just about replacing the time spent in the queue. It's about freeing people up to do more impactful work, the kind of work that AI can't do. First, it's a good idea to organize hands-on training sessions to walk them through real scenarios where the AI steps in, helping the agents to understand how it works, how to monitor it, and how it escalates. But most importantly, you need to decide how to use this extra capacity, like how agents can take on new strengths and skills to have a greater impact than ever before. Handling more complex cases, mentoring, or analyzing and improving the AI itself, akin to the roles that we mentioned earlier on. But others may shift to more proactive work, like onboarding customers or anticipating issues before they happen. You really want to encourage a growth mindset here. This is a chance for people to develop new skills and do more rewarding work and really amplify their value. So tell them how you'll support them to help make it happen. So no matter your team size, you can make this work. Start small, assign clear ownership, and talk openly about the change. Remember that the best AI agents don't just show up, they're built, trained, and supported by people like you. And when you do that well, your AI agent becomes one of your highest performing teammates.